Jamaican food plentiful. Up and down the high streets, you can find plenty of Jamaican food. As we look at it right now, there's plenty of Jamaican food. Plantain, banana, yam, cassava, all kind of food. Avocado, it's plentiful.
What do you think about the Christmas?
Christmas, with this amount of food, Christmas is good, man. Right? All we need now is some chickens and whatnot. And we don't eat turkey.
You don't eat turkey? How about some beef and...
Beef, yeah, some beef and some salmon.
Yeah?
With all this food, and Christmas, you're going home, man.
And the name of the shop we are on London Road, what's the name of the shop, yeah? The name of the shop in London Road?
The name of the shop on London Road is Haji and Sons.
Yeah, you shop all the time?
I shop here all the time. The son here good, man.
Yeah.
The young man here good to me all the time.
Alright.
Right?
So what are you looking forward for Christmas dinner tomorrow then, eh?
Look forward to Christmas dinner tomorrow, man. I hardly going to sleep tonight, man. I can't stop thinking about the food.
We're going to do cooking for tomorrow.
Cooking for tomorrow, right? Okay?
And you love it? Yeah. So you have anyone to say happy Christmas to anyone or anything?
Happy Christmas to my missus in Jamaica. And happy Christmas to all my friends, my children, everybody else.
And this is on London Road, isn't it?
This is on London Road.
Alright, what's your name again, man?
The name is Rouse.
Alright.
Right. So happy Christmas to you as well, right? And I hope that all your cooking tomorrow is going to be good. Actually, you can invite me for some of your cooking tomorrow.
Some Jamaican rice and peas.
Some Jamaican rice and peas, yes. Right?
And some stewed chicken and curry chicken.
And some stewed chicken.
Alright.
If you got any ackee saltfish, that will do as well, right?
Fried dumpling.
Fried dumpling, yeah.
Yeah?
Okay.
Alright.
Right. So you have a good day, right?
Alright, thank you so much, mate.
Cheers, man.